The mistake most successful men make after 40. There is a silent mistake many successful men make after the age of 40. It doesn't destroy their income. It doesn't take away their reputation. But it quietly destroys something far more important: their leverage. And most men don't realize it's happening until they feel stuck, despite doing everything right. By 40, most men have achieved something: a career, a business, a position, a sense of responsibility. So naturally, they double down on what worked before. They work harder. They take on more responsibility. They try to maintain their status. But the world changes its rules after a certain point. And this is where the mistake begins. After 40, most men stop doing one critical thing. They stop repositioning themselves. They stay loyal to old identities: the hard worker, the reliable one, the problem solver, the fixer. These identities were rewarded earlier in life. But the market does not reward them forever, because effort has an expiration date. Here is the uncomfortable truth. The market does not pay more for effort as you age. It pays more for judgment. At 25, energy is valuable. Availability is valuable. Hustle is valuable. At 45, clarity is valuable. Discernment is valuable. Knowing what not to do is valuable. Men who keep selling effort after 40 are competing with younger men who have more energy and fewer obligations. That is a losing position. This mistake is hard to detect because you're still earning, you're still respected, people still depend on you. But dependency is not leverage. Being needed is not the same as being valued for judgment. In fact, the more people rely on you for execution, the less time you have to step back and think strategically. That's how leverage quietly disappears. Men who fail after 40 don't lose skill. They lose strategic distance. They are too close to daily problems, operational noise, constant urgency. Strategic distance means fewer decisions, but higher impact, less activity, but more influence, less proving, more positioning. Without distance, you become replaceable, no matter how experienced you are. Men who rise after 40 do three things differently. They stop selling effort. They reposition themselves around judgment. They protect time for thinking, not reacting. They are not louder. They are not busier. They are calmer. And calm, at this stage of life, is a competitive advantage. If you are still proving your worth after 40, you are already late. The goal is not to work harder. The goal is to stand in a position where your judgment speaks before you do.